Nestling among the Western Ghats mountains in Kerala, a stretch of forest reaches out and holds the hand of the famous Periyar Tiger Reserve. At an altitude of 1,100 meters above MSL, Gavi is in the buffer zone of the Tiger Reserve at Thekkady. The deeper forest tracks here were opened up by Shabarigiri Hydel project with its several dams. Originally a cardamom plantation managed by the Kerala Forest Development Corporation for the rehabilitation of Sri Lankan repatriates, Gavi was developed as an eco-tourism destination to reduce the pressure of tourism on Thekkady. Gavi offers simple but elegant accommodation in sylvan surroundings. For the weary traveller, Gavi is a respite, far away from the maddening crowds of civilization. Wildlife abounds in Gavi. Tigers, elephants, leopards, bears, Indian gaur, sambar, barking and mouse deers, lion-tailed macaque, other varieties of monkeys, Nilgiri marten and a lot more await the naturalist playing hide-and-seek among the evergreen forests. For the bird lover, nowhere can be as satisfying as Gavi, with 320 species of birds: the great Indian hornbill, Malabar grey hornbill, white-bellied tree-pea, woodpeckers, kingfishers and myriads of miners, drongos, bulbuls, flycatchers throng the woods of Gavi. The crystal clear waters of the Gavi lake are tantalizing. Ecotourism is not mere sightseeing. Its objective is to give the visitor an opportunity to learn about the threatened ecosystems and observe wildlife. You cannot be a casual visitor at Gavi. It is compulsory to take part in the package of trekking and boating. The uniqueness and success of Gavi lie in the learning experience that it gives the visitor. you take back not only memories but a realization of the importance of nature conservation. Gavi is a temple of nature. Its sanctity is not allowed to be defiled. In the Green Mansions, the main center of Gavi ecotourism project, hospitality of a unique ethnic flavor welcomes the visitor. The Gavi ecotourism has been envisaged to provide livelihood support to the workers and their dependents. The most exhilarating experience of Gavi is the view from the high grasslands. The panorama of the verdant forests and grasslands unfolds before the visitor, making it an unforgettable image to carry forever. The wind that plays with you is untainted with the smell of cement, with the stink of garbage, the poisonous fumes of the combustive engine. Here at Gavi, nature is at its purest. The grassland shola ecosystem of the high ranges is a fragile and immensely valuable gift of nature. From a vantage point in Gavi, the famous Shabarimala shrine can be seen deeply embedded in the lushness of the evergreens. Rivers originate in these mountains. Every hill you see is a subterranean reservoir. The time to begin is now.